What is going on, guys? Pink Tech and Review here, and today now we're gonna do an unboxing and review on the Mocute Gamepad. So it's a 050 version of this Bluetooth controller. So I bought it from, I'll put it in the description below if you guys interested. It says portable controller for Android, iOS. Alright, so that's the interior of the box right here. Item specification, and let's get open it up. As you can see, it's pretty straightforward. Straight away a gamepad right here. This side, and we have some instruction menu right here. So basically it comes with many different of languages. It comes with Chinese language and English language. Right, pair and connect. See, Android device, we need aim. Alright, now we're gonna pair it with the Samsung Galaxy Tab A, which is this right here. So this is the first time we are pairing it. So straight away go to the Bluetooth right here, search for the device, and for the Mocute right here, you hold power and A until it blinks. Right, it starts to blink right now, and we're gonna go scan it here. So it might take a while. Alright, it's the Mocute gamepad right here. Go pair it. Right, connected. So now we're gonna be fire up a PPSP and straight away test the game. So I'm gonna go to the setting right here. I'm gonna disable on-screen control right now, and we're gonna be testing Dragon Ball Z here. See, alright, everything's working fine. As far as I can see, this thing is pretty lightweighted, so it's pretty portable for you guys to bring it out. So the start button is right here. And load save game, and we're gonna play a normal match right now. Alright, you can go arcade, easy, everything is working fine. Let's pick right. So let's go back, click on Goku. Alright. Oh wow, it's pretty impressive actually. The haptic feedback is pretty good, man. Running slow. Right, charge the L, just the R and the L button. So far so good, man. Can say, as far as I can say, it's the button is pretty squishy. So the good thing is it's pretty responsive, and there's no delay at all. Right. Right. And it's actually supports like a up to 5.8 inch, if I'm not wrong, stand for you to put your phone right here. So I'm going to pause the game while and take. It's the Samsung Galaxy S2 right here. Just gonna slide it in, and there, it's no problem at all. Alright, instead it's just doesn't have battery left. You can slide up to like 5.8 inch if I'm not wrong, And this actually comes with a pretty nice battery life. It can last up to 12 hours for non-stop gaming once you charge it. Like most 3 hours should be enough for it to full. So it's using just the micro SD. Let me check and see. Yep, yeah, it is using micro SD. You can use the phone to charge it. And yeah, there's nothing much that I can complain. And a Mocute have a software, so let me pause this game a while and go back. Mocute actually have a software that you can download and which can map the game for like Mobile Legend, FIFA. So all you guys need to do is just scan the code below. The control will give you this QR code, and you need to scan it and get the software, and you can just use it use the software to map any game you want, like Mobile Legend, FIFA, or you can just customize the settings by using this controller so you can play with it. And that's all from me now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more, and see you guys in the next one.